So this is our first snowfall of the year, 2025, November 9th. And it is sticking to the sidewalks. It's sticking to the trees, and it's gonna snow all night. I just want to let you see it coming down there. It's really coming down. And it's sticking all to the cars and everything there. It's snow for a snowfall. And it's minus, it feels like -9 outside Celsius. And that is very, very, very cold. It is freezing. I'm hoping everybody is taking care of driving, because you see these cars coming up here. At least they're all stopping. Usually all you do is see the cars whipping through the sign here. They don't stop. It's like you see that snow coming down there. Wow. It's so thick you can't even see the Humber River where the park is. You usually look over there and you can see where all the trees are, or the Humber River. You can't even see that. It's so thick. And the airport, well, you can't see that either, because you look straight through that where that pine tree is, you'll usually see the planes coming in. Especially at night. You see all the lights coming down, and they're all in a light, all in a row, 2 minutes apart. Hey, shout out time. I'd like to give a shout out to Sky Rose, and I want to thank her very much for doing the eulogy for my dad yesterday. It was very nice. I want to thank Rini in Florida for watching my dad's funeral too. Thank you so much for being there. When I was watching Johnny Stride's video around 10 o'clock this morning, he said, "It's not sticking." I'm like, uh-oh, guess what? Hey, Johnny, it's sticking now. And this is going to do this all night. I'm trying not to move. Look at the snow blowing off the roofs. I wonder if Brad in North Bay is having a Brad Palmer. If they're having snow, Brad and Marie Palmer. I wonder if they're getting snow too. Magic Eraser, he's on a bus ride right now, a 12-hour bus ride. And I'm hoping he's going to be okay. He was down here to see me. So I'll give a shout out to Magic Eraser for a safe trip home. At least I don't see any cars sliding through there yet. They're all behaving themselves, I hope. Okay, thank you everybody. I hope you enjoyed our little snowstorm here. And it's going to do this all night. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you.